If you got a big, let me work it. We ain't talking about Missy Elliott, but we are talking about elephants. Welcome to I.O. I'm Michael McCrudden, and this is where we overload you with information. Now, a very dumb, a very drunk safari tour guide, so he's kind of an expert at what he's doing. But again, the guy is inebriated, and he's got all his buddies there cheering him on. He charged an elephant.
Run at him!
Now this took place at South Africa's Kruger National Park. Now they got lions and bears and elephants. Oh my! No bears actually, because this is Africa. Anyway, they got crazy animals there. This guy is trying to show off, I suppose. His buddies, he's taking them on a tour when he's off duty. He's throwing back the drinks, and he jumps off the train, the bus, the boat, whatever the hell they're on. Definitely not a boat, this is Africa. So they go out there, and the guy approaches a giant elephant in the wild. I don't know about you, but that's like a modern day dinosaur. It's the world's largest land mammal. So he goes up there and he just starts running with his arms flailing towards the elephant. Now the elephant stands its ground. It puts its heads down, its big ears go up. Dumbo is looking pissed. Well, the guy trips and falls, and any viewer is going to start worrying about this poor, intoxicated man's life. He could get trampled, he could get mistaken for a peanut and devoured. I don't know, it looks scary. But the elephant shows its true colors. It's an absolute coward. It flees from a drunk dude. Now, if you've ever seen a drunk dude at a football game or whatever, these guys are barely able to hold their own pee. They're not like a lethal weapon, especially the guy can't even run straight. He fell over. It was enough to scare off the elephant because it fled for its life. Now, here's a few facts about elephants. I'm just gonna throw them out there, guys, because what? We're already talking about elephants. Let's hear about. Now, there's a few gay elephants out there. Not a lot of mammals practice this kind of behavior, but the elephants are down. They are voting to get legally wed in California. Also, there are a few different species out there, apes, dolphins, and elephants, that when they look into a mirror, they can identify themselves. They know it's them. They know what they're looking at. They know if they go left, it moves right, and they're kind of fascinated by this. And they also take great care of their tusks because, hey, they want to look sharp. Now, there's a really cool fact about elephants. They're one of the few mammals that will actually, you probably heard of this from The Lion King, elephant graveyard. They will actually carry out rituals when a member of their herd dies. If an elephant starts looking sick, if it's getting wobbly, it's not able to get up, not able to carry on, they start bringing it food, they start bringing it water. After some time, the elephant dies, they continue to bring it food, they continue to bring it water. They love their friend. And the more love, the more compatibility, the longer the relationship. Some elephants actually show signs of depression once one of these elephants pass on. But that ain't the kicker. The real story is, once this elephant passes on, they go around and dig a little grave. Then they put their passed away friend in the hole and start burying them with branches, mud, leaves, and then they kind of hang around the area for a few days. That is really crazy. They absolutely know what's going on, and they have a vendetta. They are going to kill the next lion they see, because how dare he? Anyway, back to the guy out in South Africa. This tour guide is now looking for work. The guy has been fired. That is a hangover that's going to last him a few days. He was looking cool in front of his buddies, and now he's looking cool in the unemployment line. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that this guy should be thrown out there and try it again? Maybe try his luck with a cheetah. How about a gazelle? I heard there's some rhinos out there in Africa. Maybe he can charge at one of them and see how it goes.